Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight we're going to be working on the rear spar assembly. We're going to go ahead and start with the rear spar Cleco and rivet the rear spar doubler and tripler plate into place. I have already deburred all the parts and peeled all the plastic off and kind of gotten them together and ready. So we'll go ahead and start doing that. Alright guys, just finished riveting. Where I have circled, do not rivet. Those are where the ribs are going to go. And then I'm going to hold off putting the support skin, the upper skin support on till later. I've heard it just kind of gets in the way and we can put that on later. So I drew a line through those rivet holes not to rivet that till we get that into place. These are the 4x8 or 4.8 millimeter rivets, and these ones down here are 4.0 all the way down to this end. Up here I didn't rivet this first one even though the plans call for it. I'm going to get it in the jig. I've heard that sometimes it can interfere with that and maybe this first rib, and then I'll rivet those in at that point. Also, I took this AN5 bolt and put through the holes before I Cleco and riveted. That way make sure those holes are all lined up. So anyway, that's what I did, and on to the next part of this step. Alright, we're going to go ahead and rivet the spar channel extensions on with these reinforcement angles. Let's go ahead and get started on that. So I'm not going to rivet this line because of the upper skin support, and it says in the plans not to rivet this line. So I put a mark on there with the marker. Also, if you can tell, I've also went ahead and primed the parts. Still undecided on if I should be doing that or not. I don't know what I'm doing. So here we go. Also, I made a trip to Utah last week, and so I grabbed some black Clecos and brought them back with me. Alright, it's time to go ahead and cleco and rivet the rear spar reinforcement plates. Let's go ahead and get that done. I ran out of that gray self-etching primer that's in the rattle can. Ran down to the store and they had this kind of primer here. Try to get it in the camera. So I'm gonna give that a try and we'll see which one works better.